Real quick, what's your password? Don't say it out loud. Just think about it. Is it your pet's name, your birthday, or maybe just password 123? If that sounds familiar, that password is likely already out there, sitting in a database being sold for less than a coffee. Here's how it happens. A random site you signed up for years ago gets hacked. You don't even know it, but hackers now have your email and password. Then, automated bots start testing that combo on Gmail, Amazon, and your bank, all within minutes. If you reuse that password anywhere, they're in. No fancy hacking required. They literally just logged in. This is credential stuffing, and it happens millions of times every single day. Stay safe out there. You've heard the advice. Make it complex with symbols and numbers. Like buddy at 1985 exclamation, but hackers cracked that before you finished reading it. Hackers don't guess manually. They use software that knows every common substitution. A becomes at, S becomes dollar. It's all baked into their tools. Real strength comes from length. A long passphrase like purple fence rocket cloud takes centuries to crack, while buddy at 1985 takes hours. The old rulebook was based on bad math. It's easier to remember and harder to hack. But really, you shouldn't be making your own passwords at all. Let me introduce you to a password manager, something that genuinely changed how I handle security. It generates unique, random passwords for every account you have, 24 characters you'll never need to remember. It stores them in an encrypted vault and fills them in automatically when you log into any website. The only password you ever need to remember is the one that opens the vault. That's it. You might worry about keeping everything in one place, but reusing simple passwords across sites is far riskier. With a manager, every account has its own unique password. One breach somewhere only exposes that one account. For where to start, Bitwarden is free and open source. One password is polished and secure. Just set it up tonight. It takes 15 minutes, and your future self will be grateful. Strong passwords are great, but there's one more layer that actually saves you when everything else fails: two-factor authentication, or 2FA. The idea is simple. When you log in, your password is the first proof. Then the site asks for a second proof, usually a code generated on your phone. Even if a hacker has your password, they can't get in without your device. It's a powerful wall for your personal data. You can use text codes, authenticator apps like Google Authenticator, or even physical hardware keys for top-level security. Do one thing today. Enable 2FA on your email. It's the key to your entire online life. Just 4 clicks, 5 minutes, total security. Genuinely, the most important thing you can do for your digital safety. Lock down your accounts today. The honest truth. Identity protection isn't complicated. You don't need to be a tech expert. Step 1. Download Bitwarden tonight and move your bank and email accounts over. Step 2. Turn on two-factor authentication for your email before you go to sleep. Step 3. Next time you log in, let your password manager generate a new one. Victims of identity theft spend over 200 hours fixing the mess. It's absolute stress. Spend 2 hours this week setting this stuff up, and you'll likely never deal with that. If you want this handled properly for you, that's what Carefree Computing does. They audit your whole setup and lock it down. Links in the description. If this helped, like and subscribe for more practical security tips. Stay safe out there.